Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I picked up from a recent Hermes event that I was invited to for Christmas. So the event consisted of one workshop where I made something from Hermes and also a second item I received as a part of their Christmas gift to clients. So let's start with the first item. So the first item was this horse that I made. Here is the front and here is the back. You can see that the legs can move. And what this was made from was from recycled Hermes silk and leather items that were extra pieces that they no longer needed. And I thought this was a very good idea because not only could they recycle the unused items, but also clients could make a gift that was special to them. So they had a bunch of silk and leathers that clients could choose from, and I'm going to put some footage somewhere here in this video so that you can see the process of making this particular charm. So the second item I received came in this very large cylinder. Can you guess what this is? Let's unbox this together. So here are a few of the items. And this is what it looks like is an advent tree, and you can stick the numbers here on here, and you can see there are some tabs to put something inside. So there's more to this. So inside there was also this little package, and if I open this package, there are several charms. So I've emptied the contents of the envelope into this little top part, and as you can see, they are Hermes little fabric charms. Aren't these really cute? So let's put this on the tree to see what they look like. So I have absolutely no idea if I've done this correctly. However, I believe these stickers are supposed to go on these, and you're supposed to take out maybe one ornament per day. I'm not too sure. If any of you have received this tree, can you let me know? This is what I'm supposed to do with it. But just to share with you what all the little charms are, I thought I would pull these out one by one so that you can see what the charms are in this little tree. So here is a star, and then this looks like, is it a saddle? I'm not too sure. And then this is a horse, a teapot, a star, and a Christmas tree, a green star, and I believe this is that H ring, I'm not sure what you call it, a cute horseshoe, another teapot, another horse, and it looks like another saddle, I think, another horse, a baseball cap, another baseball cap, a horseshoe, another Christmas tree in pink, another Christmas tree in red, another cap, and another H ring, another teapot, and a horse, another horse, and finally another H ring. So yeah, that is the tree, which is really cute. The back has nothing and it's made out of felt, and so I guess I can decorate this with a surprise ornament every day, and if I wanted to I could transfer that to my regular Christmas tree. But I thought the event was a lot of fun. Not only did I receive two really nice Hermes gifts, I also felt they were meaningful gifts because they recycled a lot of Hermes materials to gift the clients recyclable Hermes actual charms and Christmas tree and the ornaments. So I thought that was quite fun and cute, so I wanted to share that with you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'm wishing you a wonderful holiday season ahead of time. See you next time. Bye bye now.